This is my first try of the Efcut C30 LITE. Purchased this recently. First time I'm going to use it today. It takes about an hour to assemble. The instructions are well documented, photos and all. It's delivered without oil. You need to put oil before. And let's go. Let's get this done. Got a lot of work. Good morning. I'll be using this for the first time. Efcut C30 LITE, and it has a maximum branch size of 3 inches. I'll probably go up to 2 because the 3 inches I'm going to use as firewood or for my smoker. And let's get it done. I recommend anyway checking everything. Even though I built this, just make sure all the nuts and bolts are solidly in place, and this thing probably has some vibration as it's working, so this will be something you want to do on a regular basis. As far as the oil is concerned, the only added part I did was add a magnetic dipstick, so there's metal shavings in there. They'll end up there. It's a new engine, so the wheels are, there's no air in this, just a plastic wheel. So that's it. sitting beside my Efcut C30 LITE. Awesome machine. As you can see, no more branches. Am I satisfied? Highly satisfied. Incredible. Have a nice day.